A cuff is a protective reflex for expulsion of respiratory secretions and foreign particles from air passages. Its purpose is to clear the throat and breathing passage of foreign particles, microbes, irritants, fluids, and mucus. Cough can be dry or wet in nature. There are lots of different cough syrups in the market to treat dry or wet cough. Through extensive research and development, Rajasthan Aushadhalaya have created the TUSS HERAB cough syrup. It is a balanced herbal formulation with anti-asthmatic, anti-allergic, and anti-tussive properties. It comprises of the following core ingredients. SUNTHI, also known as ginger, has digestive and anti-tussive properties. MULETHI, also known as licorice root, has anti-tussive properties. Tulsi, also known as basil, has anti-tussive and bronchodilator properties. It has a very potent germicidal, fungicidal, antibacterial and antibiotic property. Haridra, also known as turmeric, has anti-allergic and anti-tussive properties. It helps in immune modulation by correcting metabolism by enabling free circulation of nutrients and oxygen. Pudina, also known as mint, has anti-tussive and bronchodilator properties. Vasa is another important ingredient as it helps in increasing the vak and reducing the kapha. Kapoor, also known as Qamber, has throat infection treatment properties. Mishri, it's an unrefined form of sugar. It has kashahara property which helps in reducing cough. Since the product does not have any added sugar, the only thing used is mishri.